This is a very important question in this chapter for 4 marks for the examination point of view. Now, derivation of electric potential. Already in the last class, you know the equation for the electric potential from the definition. What is that one? V is equal to W by Q naught or W by Q. That is the expression for electric potential as per the definition. But we have another expression for electric potential. Now we want to derive that. Now let us see how we can derive the electric potential of any charge. This is a positive charge. Around that some influence of the field is there. Here you take unit positive charge Q naught located at infinity distance. How much distance? Infinity distance. Now what is the definition of electric potential? Work done to shift the unit positive charge against the field. This is called electric potential. That's why the unit positive charge is at infinity distance. Now we are displaced a small distance against the field. So work done on Q naught charge to shift against the field for a small distance dx is, you know that one work formula is how much? Force into displacement. What is the equation for work? Force into displacement. Yeah. You know that work is the function of displacement but not force. That's why work is the function of displacement but not work. This topic we are studied in the previous, means in the 4th chapter also. Okay, dW. Why dW? Work is displacement is small, work is also small. That's dW is good. Minus F into dx, force into displacement. But why you need this sign? Against, opposite. That's what minus. What is the F? Force. Force between the two charges. The force between the two charges, Coulomb equation, you know. What is the Coulomb's law? 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. This charge is Q. This charge is Q naught. How much is displaced? Dx. That's why from here to here distance is how much? X. That's why in the place of F, what is the Coulomb's law we are taken? 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q naught x square into dx. Okay, you take this Q naught in the denominator of this. W by Q naught is equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q. Here Q naught is not there. Why this Q naught is here? X square. Now we know that one. V is equal to W by Q. So W by Q naught is equal to V. But dW by Q naught is equal to how much? D. So is equal to minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Qx square dx. This is the work done for a small displacement. Now to shift this against the field a maximum distance. From where to where? From infinity to R distance. Total work done on Q naught charge to shift infinity to R distance against the field. So mathematically what we can do? Integration. What it is called? Integration. This we have studied in first year number of times. Okay, integral dv is equal to integral minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by x square into dx. From here infinity to R. So what are the limits? Infinity to R. Integral dv becomes V. So charge is fixed. That's why Q by 4 by epsilon naught I have taken common. Minus also common. Integral 1 by x square into dx. What are the limits? Infinity to R. Okay. V is equal to minus Q by 4 by epsilon naught as is. Integral 1 by x square dx is equal to how much? Minus 1 by x. This is important. Integral 1 by x square into dx value is how much? Minus 1 by x. What are the limits? Infinity to R. Okay, take minus here becomes plus, but I am taking here Q by 4 by x 1 by x. Then after taking the of x, what we can write first r minus the another limit is infinity minus 1 by infinity. Okay, as usual q by 4 pi epsilon, q by 4 pi epsilon, 1 by r is 1 by r, 1 by infinity is how much? 0. So what is the final answer? V is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. So here q by 4 pi epsilon naught is fixed. That's why V is inversely proportional to R. Means when R is increases, the potential what happen? Decreases. When R is decreases, potential what happen? Increases. Means electric potential is depends on the which one? The shift of the distance. When the shift of the distance is decreases, potential is increases. The shift of the distance is decreases, the potential is decreases. Okay, this is about the equation of electric potential, and this electric potential is taken positively and negatively. Electric potential taken positively and negatively. Now let us take, this is the charge. When a charged particle shift against the field, electric potential is positive. When a charged particle shift against the electric field, electric potential is positive. If a charged particle shift towards the field, this is the direction of electric field. In this direction, the charged particle is shifted, potential is negative. When the charged particle is shifted against the field, electric potential is positive, or electric potential is increases. Are you followed? When the charged particle shift against the electric field, electric potential is positive. When a charged particle is shifted towards the field, electric potential is taken negatively. Okay, when electric potential is positive, when electric potential is negative. Electric potential is positive when the charged particle shift against the field. When electric potential is negative, when the charged particle is shifted in the direction of the field. Okay, and this is also one of the important but not examination point of view, must be remembered. Okay, electric potential is positive when it is shift against the field. Electric potential is negative when it is shifts in the direction of the field.